Okay, next is to repair this magnetic door holder thing. So this one's got jammed. I don't know what happened. I pulled it out, and this is what I found. So it's got this hook thingy on both ends. This keychain thing is to hold the hook from the back. This is the spring loaded mechanism. It's just a spring. Magnets there, and this is like a channel thing. So when you close the door, it will slide either left or right and gets hooked here. And then when you press the door open again to open it, it will slide back out. Very neat. Okay, so let's try to fix this. See, there's a hole there for the hook to go through. So put the spring here. Okay, press it in all the way in. Put the hook in. I don't know. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Hold it with my hand. Cool, and that's how you fix a faulty clicker thingy. Well, it's pretty neat to see how it works on the inside. Oh no, these things are too close. Oops. Anyways, on that disaster, thanks for watching.